Have you ever told yourself, I'll do it tomorrow? Maybe it's finishing a project, starting a habit, calling someone you care about, or chasing a dream you've been putting off for months, or even years. Every day we say the same thing, tomorrow. But what if tomorrow never comes? This is the story of a person named Nova, who learned this lesson the hard way. Once upon a time, there was a young person named Nova. Nova wasn't lazy and wasn't careless. They just believed they had time. They were a dreamer, full of ideas, hopes, and plans. But for some reason, every important thing in their life was postponed. Nova would wake up each day with good intentions. They promised themselves, today I'll start that project, I'll call my friend, I'll finally join the gym. But as soon as they opened their phone or saw something distracting, they thought, maybe tomorrow. There's still time. The days passed quickly, almost unnoticed. In the morning, Nova would tell themselves to work on their goals, but by noon, they'd be scrolling social media. In the evening, they'd laugh and watch videos saying, I'll do it tomorrow. And so it went, week after week, month after month. Opportunities that required courage, effort, or consistency slipped by while they waited for a perfect moment that never came. One day, Nova noticed something that made their hearts sink. Friends who once shared dreams with them were moving ahead. They started businesses, learned new skills, got jobs, and even reconnected with people they cared about. Some of the chances Nova wanted to grab were no longer there. The person they wanted to apologize to reconnect with, or to express their feelings to, had moved on. The project they had been planning for months, someone else had completed it and been recognized. Nova felt a sharp pang of regret, realizing that all the tomorrows they had counted on had vanished. They remembered each morning they had delayed, each opportunity they had ignored, each promise they had made to themselves and others but never kept. And in that moment, Nova understood the truth. Tomorrow might never come. Time does not wait. Life does not pause. Every minute wasted is a chance lost forever. The realization was painful, but it was also powerful. Nova began to see how small steps could have made a difference. If they had started even a little each day, they could have learned something new, mended a relationship, or built a habit that would have changed everything. But the longer they waited, the harder it became to catch up. The truth was simple yet shocking. The only moment they truly had was right now, this very day. From that day, Nova decided to break the cycle. They started with small things, answering emails, making a call, taking 5 minutes to practice a skill they wanted to learn. Then they moved on to bigger tasks, starting the project they had delayed for months, reconnecting with friends, and committing to goals they had left behind. Slowly, they began to see change. Each day they acted, they felt lighter, more alive, more hopeful. Each small step made them feel in control of their life again. By the end of the story, Nova understood something important. Life doesn't wait for tomorrow, and success, happiness, or growth doesn't come to those who keep postponing. It comes to those who act, even imperfectly, even hesitantly, even starting from the smallest effort. Every day counts, every hour matters, and every minute wasted can never be returned. So if you're listening to this, remember Nova's story. Every time you say, I'll do it tomorrow, think about what you could be missing. Take that first step today. Start that project, call that friend, apologize, say what you need to say, Chase your dream, because tomorrow may never come. And if you break the cycle and do it today, you'll be the one who moves forward, grows, and never looks back with regret. Don't wait. Start now, because this moment is all you truly have.